session, and now today we continue our consonant digraph topic. In previous video, we learned about U, CH, SH and PS sound, and now we learn about UGS sound. So what are consonant digraph? We tell you in previous video, consonant digraph are two or more consonants that together represent one sound. And now we start GH sounds, consonant digraph. G and H, when G and H combine, they do not represent the sound of G, G and H. They also represent the sound of G. G and H is pronounced as G at the beginning of words like ghost, G. At the end of the sounds, it is silent. The G and H at the end, when it is at the end of the word, it becomes silent and makes the sound of F. Okay, like this K, cuff. G and H pronounce the sound of F. Cuff. Enough. Laugh. Rough. Tough. At the end of the sound, it pronounces the sound of rough and tough, not G. If G and H are at the beginning of the word, it pronounces the sound of G, like ghost. G is at the end of the word, like this. It pronounces the sound of F, like this: rough, cuff, enough, laugh, rough, tough. And now we learn the sound of G and H. In start, G represents the sound of G. At the end, GH represents the sound of Fa. And now we learn about this when GH comes in between. Which sound is represent? It is silent. The G and H is silent when it is at the middle of the word. GH is silent in height, height. We do not pronounce the sound of G and H. Height. G and H are silent at the middle of the word, like this. These are the examples of G and H when comes at the middle of the word. Height, bought, caught, daughter, high, light, right, and also might. These are the examples of GH when GH comes in between the word.